Method 1. Marker method. 1. Get a black marker, preferably washable. 2. Draw a rather large smudge on one of your fingers. Make it big, but not very thick. 3. Take another finger on the opposite hand. Rub that on your smudged finger. 4. Apply the marker to below your eyes carefully. Start at the inside corners of your eyes and work the mark down and out slightly. 5. Add a much lighter bit. Start from the outside edge down toward the first mark if you want a more extreme effect, or for darker lighting. Method 2. Eyeliner method. 1. Scribble with some black/dark brown eyeliner on your finger. 2. Smudge it under your eyes, darker towards the bridge of your nose. 3. Add purple or blue lightly over it. This will make it look more bruised if you want that look.